Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your high memory, RAM, CPU, or disk usage in Windows. Now, the true and tested method we always use to do this is by right-clicking on the down part here and then going to Task Manager. Now, on Task Manager, you'll be seeing the nitty-gritty of what kind of apps is using up your CPU, memory, and or disk, right? Now we can use this task manager to see and or disable any processes that are interfering with our performance, right? But make sure you know what you're doing, right? So for example, here Discord is using up to like 400 megabytes of my RAM here, right? 400 megabytes, and I'm not using Discord actively. So if it's interfering with my performance, then it's better for me to end the task, right? So for Discord here, just right click and then you have to click on end task so that Discord is closed completely and you'll free up any resources that's available for your laptop or PC so it can be used in another application. If you want more of the nitty-gritty, you can also see the performance here. Now you can see my performance is almost full because of Discord earlier. So if I ended the task, it would have improved my performance. You can see my CPU is not having any issue. My disk is either. My Wi-Fi is pretty good. My GPU especially and my GPU here as well is pretty good as well. Now, there is also another way we can improve our performance is by using the surfaces section here. You can access this by going on the search bar here and then typing in surfaces. On surfaces, it'll open up a window like this. Now, you can end some surfaces here if you'd like, but be sure you know what you're doing because and these surfaces are pretty sensitive stuff, right? If you end any of these surfaces, it could mess with your performance as a computer and it'll mess with your performance with your laptop as well. So if you're doing this, if you're ending any of the surface here, like restart or stop even, make sure you know what you're doing and make sure you know what surfaces you're stopping. If you stop your Wi-Fi surface and then your Wi-Fi surface don't work anymore, that won't be funny, right? Now, the last one I'm gonna show you is by using disk management, right? So just type in disk management or disk cleanup on the search bar here. Just click on disk cleanup, and then you just have to pick the current disk you're currently using. So for mine, it'll be ASRC. Just click on OK. It'll calculate our disk performance here. Just wait for it to load. Now, once it's loaded, you'll see this is what it will look like. You can see there's some downloadable program files, some temporary internet files, and some other thumbnails and temporary files we can delete to help free up space for our disk. So that is some of the methods you can use to help free up some space, some memory, some CPU space for your laptop. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and or subscribing.